liquefied and sunk 12 feet into the ground.
It's terrible.
Now, thankfully for the community that used to be here, the community of Portage, it was low tide, so there was no tsunami afterward. However, because the ground sunk, the tide could come in farther than before. There was more room for it. And if you also look on the left, there's an eagle perched in one of those trees, in one of those old trees. So since the shoreline didn't think it was able to come in much farther than before,
there's an eagle out there.
And now, obviously it is not this way today. The ground has since risen back up. Something called isotonic upset, but basically you can imagine the land like a kitchen sponge. Push your hand on the sponge, take your hand off, and the sponge will slowly rise back up. So that's what happens in this area. But of course these trees are still very well preserved. We like to call them pickled trees, since they did die by salt.
The earth shook for about 15 minutes through this area in 1964
in a couple more moments, we will actually be able to
the
see
Great
some
Alaska
houses
earthquake,
that
the
are knocked over from the
Anchorage
earthquake in the village of Portage. After we cross over 20 Mile River here, you should direct your gaze out